And we begin tonight with another twist in the Caitlin Markham investigation. Today, a Butler County judge dismissing a charge against one of the two accused in that murder case dating back about a dozen years. And thanks a lot for joining us here at 5. I'm Mike Dardis.
Good evening to you. I'm Cherie Pillel. Yeah, big developments here. WLWT News Source Karen Johnson live for us in Fairfield to explain what exactly happened in the courtroom today. Hi, Karen.
Hey, Cherie, tonight Jonathan Palmerton is no longer required to wear an ankle monitor. He is no longer charged with perjury in this case. Judge Jennifer McElfresh dismissed the felony charge against him at the request of Butler County Prosecutor Mike Moser. Moser says Palmerton will be a witness in John Carter's murder trial, and because Palmerton was scheduled to go on trial first, that caused a conflict for prosecutors. Palmerton and Carter are childhood friends and hung around each other in 2011 when Caitlin disappeared. Moser previously said Palmerton lied under oath during the course of the investigation. Today, defense attorney Ken Crehan didn't object, obviously, to the dismissal, but did accuse Moser of using the court system as a tool to help his case.
And I don't know if this is gamesmanship, I don't know strategy, but Mr. Moser's office is the one who was driving the train.
I object to the implications of any impropriety with respect to this matter, and do I object to any statement, one way or the other, concerning the guilt or innocence of Mr. Palmerton at this time.
And today, Mike Moser called this a temporary dismissal because he does have a right to attempt to re-indict Palmerton after Carter goes to trial, or really at any time. Reporting live tonight in Fairfield, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Karen, I think everybody's wondering, any idea if Palmerton has been cooperating with prosecutors, maybe talking to them behind the scenes about what may have happened to Caitlin Markham?
Cherie, I could tell you there is a lot of speculation that is what is happening, but I cannot confirm that. I have not been able to confirm that, so I don't know at this point. The only thing I can confirm is what Moser said today is that that Palmerton could be called as a witness for prosecutors in John Carter's murder trial.
All right, Karen Johnson reporting live for us tonight on this case that so many people are watching here locally. Karen, thanks so much.